y'all doing? We've had many requests to do another walkthrough of our vintage 1970 Holiday Rambler travel trailer. Now, we've lived full time in it now for 4 years, a little over 4 years actually, and we lived stationary in Parks for the first 2 years while he was finishing up work. And then we've traveled for the last 2 years full time. And we go back and forth across the country because we have grandbabies on the East Coast and a daughter, and grandbabies on the West Coast. So we go back and forth across the country visiting them and family in between. It's awesome to ramble across the USA. We named her the Phoenix because we brought this thing back from death. Took us 2 years to redo, to repurpose. She's 29 feet long from bumper to tongue. We pull the Phoenix with this big 3500 Dodge Ram. We love this truck. It's a 2012. She's very nice. And she pulls the Phoenix just fine. Now let's go in and check out the inside. And here is the living space. This is where we lay back and relax and watch TV, have dinner. And the most asked question is, how does all of that stuff stay up there on that shelf? Well, there's a ledge there for one. I lay this camel down, lay that little stuff down, and lay the doll down and the teapot right there. And that's it. Everything else stays in place. Mr. Childers sits here and works on his computer. Got nice deep sinks. They are 9 inches deep. Spice rack here. And under the cabinet here, we have an ice maker that rolls out and our 4-gallon water heater. Storage everywhere, of course. Storage in the benches. A little lily under the table. Storage in the footstool. Four-burner stove. Love my stove. Microwave. Full-size apartment-size refrigerator. Got the widescreen TV there with a little entertainment center here. an electric fireplace there. Love it. Let's go down through the hallway. You have a washer and a dryer. The bath is here. Got a nice little sink there. Laundry hamper. Nice size shower. Lots of storage. Have a nice large pantry. Yes, it's full. Gotta feed them grandbabies. Lots and lots of storage. I love that pantry. Love it. Now let's go into the boudoir. Got lots of storage up here for clothing. Lots of storage on this side also, at the top and at the bottom. We have storage under the bed and another widescreen TV and a desk area. Oh yeah, and when you live in Florida, Southeast Georgia, anywhere in the South really, you got to have a dehumidifier. We love it. We absolutely love living in this trailer. Lily, say hi. She says, this is my house. I'm happier here than anywhere else. It's 24 foot from one end to the other. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. It's very nice for 2 people. When going full time, I wouldn't go any smaller than this for 2 folks.